Welcome back to Gira Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find Windows 11 or 10 product key or license key. For that, you can use three methods. First one is command prompt, next one is PowerShell, and last one is registry editor. So let me talk about first method. So click on this one start button and type here cmd. Then right click on this one command prompt entry, select run as administrator, then copy and paste first one command from this video description and press enter on the keyboard to see your Windows product key. You can also use alternate command that is that will be available on this video description. So all you need to copy and paste any of this command in command prompt to see the product key. Same command will work on also PowerShell. So first you need to open PowerShell as an administrator, then copy and paste. In case first one command does not work for you, then you can use this one next command. Just copy and paste and press enter on the keyboard to view Windows 11 or 10 product key. Last one method is through registrator. For that you need to copy and paste path in registry editor address bar. Just copy and paste and press enter on the keyboard, and on the right you will see a key backup product key default, and you can view here your Windows 11 or 10 product key. Thanks for watching this video.